Let's learn how you can share your location on iPhone. It really doesn't matter which iOS you're using. So before this new update or something, sharing location was available on phone, like on this phone app. But now they changed it and placed it to Maps application. So what you're gonna do is to go to your Maps application, open it, and you'll have this menu. You'll have to scroll down and to click on this option, share my location. This will open you a new pop-up, and here you can select on which application you want to share your location. I will just show you an example, so I will click on Notes, and as you can see here, you can have an widget or attachment of your location, and you can send it to your friends that are in your contacts, so iMessages, Discord, Instagram, Facebook, Viber, everything.